Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about one more data manipulation command in SQL. So that is nothing but an update command in SQL. We have two types of update commands here. One is modifying a record value for only one record, like modifying a column value for only one record. If we can also modify the multiple records based on some particular condition. And another type of update command is we can also modify the entire column values. So suppose if you have 100 rows, then if you want to modify the particular column value to some particular value for all the records present in your table, then you can also do it using a update command. Now how to do that and all I am going to explain in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what we have is I am just entering all the three commands again. So if you do that, then all the three rows gets executed. Now I am doing select, just want to know the contents here. Here the contents are 1 Rakesh, 2 Ganesh and then Mahesh. So these are the three rows that we have. Now what I want to do is I want to modify the column 1 value, column 1 value having column 2 value is equal to something, I want to specify the condition. I want to change that particular value name based on some condition. So how to do that means I have a update command in SQL. It is also a data manipulation command. Now the syntax for it is update table name. What is the table name here? Update sample underscore table, which is the table name here. Table name, we have a separate here keyword here, that is nothing but set update sample underscore table set whatever the column value that you want to set. Here I want to set the call to value as whatever the value that you need to that you want to specify. So I want to specify it as Kaushik. Set call to is equal to Kaushik, where call 1 equals to or call 1 is greater than 2. So now what it will do is wherever the call 1 is greater than 2, then it will modify the call to value as Kaushik. Here how many rows that we have call 1 is greater than 2 is only one value, like only one record. Suppose I want to specify it as greater than or equal to, then greater than or equal to means we have two records here, one is 2 and another one is 3. Now let us execute it, how it will print the output and all, let's see. So I am just executing it and two rows are updated. How many rows gets affected, then it will print that much rows. So I am again printing here, select star from sample underscore table. If you do that, I am running it. So these are the contents. Previously we have Mahesh and then Ganesh. Now what happens is we have both the 2 and 3 column 1 values as Kaushik, because we updated the values. So this is one way of modifying the one particular value based on some particular condition. Suppose if you want to modify entire call to values to some value, then you can also do that by using update sample underscore table. Just what the difference is, you do not specify any condition using a where clause. If you do not specify any condition using a where clause, then what it will do is we just using update sample underscore table set call to equals to Subhash. I am running it. So what it will do is 3 rows affected. I am not writing any where clause here. So if I do not specify any condition, then it will get what it will do is it will affect on every row that is present in your table. So that is what happened now. I am running a retrieving statement select star from sample table. So here what it will show is every value of column 1, it is showing it as column 2 value as Subhash, because we updated every value using a value call to as Subhash. So this is how you can modify the group of records based on the particular condition, or you can also modify the entire column value for all the records present in your table. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.